If you think YouTube pays you for views, you're already losing, because views don't make money. Strategy does. There are creators with 50,000 subscribers making full-time income, and creators with 500,000 subscribers barely earning anything. The difference? Monetization knowledge. Most new creators chase viral videos. Smart creators chase revenue systems. And if you don't understand how monetization actually works, you'll grow, but stay broke. So today, we're breaking down how YouTube monetization really works, how creators actually make money, and how you can start building income, even as a small channel. No myths, no fake guru promises, just real strategy. Now let's get into it. First truth, ad revenue is not the main income source for smart creators. Yes, AdSense matters, but it's unstable. CPM changes, RPM changes, season changes. If your only income is ads, your income controls you. Real creators build multiple income streams. Let's break them down. Ad revenue basic layer. You get paid per 1,000 monetized views, but this depends on niche, audience location, and watch time. US audiences equals higher RPM. Finance, business equals higher CPM. Entertainment equals usually lower. So not all views are equal. Affiliate marketing smart layer. You recommend tools, products, apps. You earn commission. No need for millions of views. You need trust. Small loyal audience greater than big random audience. Digital products scalable layer. Courses, ebooks, templates, guides. You build once, sell repeatedly. That's leverage. Sponsorships authority layer. Brands don't pay for views. They pay for influence. If your audience trusts you, brands pay more. Now here's the mindset shift. Stop asking, how do I get monetized? Start asking, how do I become valuable? Money follows value. Now here's something powerful. If your content helps solve expensive problems, you can earn more with fewer views. Example, helping someone grow their business. That's valuable. Helping someone fix mindset. Still valuable. But random entertainment, harder to monetize deeply. So monetization starts with positioning. Now here's the uncomfortable truth. Most creators want money before building trust. That never works. Trust first, value second, money third, in that order. And once trust is strong, monetization becomes natural. Now we're talking real monetization psychology, not surface level advice. Here's the mistake most creators make. They try to monetize traffic. Smart creators monetize transformation. Traffic is random. Transformation is intentional. If someone watches your video and thinks, that was interesting, you get views. If someone watches and thinks, that changed something for me, you get loyalty. And loyalty converts. Now let's talk about monetization stages. Stage 1, survival mode. You just want to qualify for monetization. 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours, or shorts requirement. At this stage, focus on growth plus consistency. Stage 2, optimization mode. Now you're monetized. Instead of celebrating, ask, how do I increase RPM? Longer watch time equals more mid-roll ads. Higher value niche equals better CPM. US, UK, Canada audiences equals stronger earnings. Content strategy affects income. Stage 3, leverage mode. This is where smart creators separate themselves. You don't depend on ads. You build assets, email list, digital product, private community, consulting, coaching. Now money isn't controlled by algorithm spikes. It's controlled by your system. Now here's a powerful truth. The algorithm gives you attention. Monetization converts attention. But attention without positioning is wasted. If your content is all over the place, brands don't know how to approach you. If your audience is unclear, sponsorships are weak. Clarity increases income. Now let's talk about small channel monetization. You don't need 100,000 subscribers. You need clear niche, problem-solving content, audience trust. A channel with 5,000 loyal viewers can outturn a channel with 100,000 random ones, because buying behavior depends on trust, not size. Now here's the psychology behind earning online. People buy for 3 reasons: to save time, to make money, to avoid pain. If your content aligns with any of these, monetization becomes easier. Now the dangerous mindset. I'll focus on money later. No, you should think about monetization early, not to exploit your audience, but to design your channel correctly. If you build random content for 2 years, then try to monetize, it becomes difficult. But if you build with strategy from day one, income feels natural. Now here's the elite mindset shift. Don't think, how do I make money from YouTube? Think, how do I build a brand that earns beyond YouTube? Because platforms change, algorithms change, but brand equity stays. And when your brand is strong, money stops being stressful. It becomes predictable.